Welcome students. Today's our topic is a RAID impact on disk performance. So when choosing a RAID type, it is imperative to consider its impact on the disk performance and application IOPS. So in both mirrored and parity RAID configuration, so every write operation translates into more IO overhead for the disk, which is referred to as a, you can say, a write penalty. Okay, so see how here this things is to be calculated, the write penalty in the diagram. Okay, so in a RAID 1 implementation, every write operation must be performed on two disks configured as a mirrored pair, whereas in RAID 5 the implementation, a write operation may manifest as four IO operations. So when performing the IO to a disk which is configured with RAID 5, so controller has to read, recalculate and write a parity segment for every data write operation. So the parity P at the controller is calculated with the help of this. So EP is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4. That is the XOR operations. So whenever the controller perform a write operation, that is write IO, so parity must be computed by reading the old parity, that is EP old, and the old data, that is EP4 old from the disk, which means to read IOs. Then the new parity, that is EP new, is computed, and that is to be computed with the help of EP new equal to EP old minus EP4 old plus E4 new, that is XOR operations. Now see here, in this we have to be calculating this parities, that is EP. Okay, and after the computing the new parity, the controller compute the write IO by writing the new data and the new parity onto the disk, and amounting to two write IOs. Therefore, the controller perform two disk reads and two disk writes. So for every write operation, and the write penalty is 4. In RAID 6, which maintain dual parity. Okay, so dual parity means a disk write requires 3 read operations and 2 parity on one data. So after calculating the both new penalties, you can sorry parities, the controller perform 3 write operation and 2 write 2 parities. Okay, and NIO. So therefore in RAID 6 implementation, the controller perform the 6 IO operations for each write IO, and the write penalty is 6. So in that way we are calculating the performance of the disk, means RAID impact on the disk performance. So this is to be calculated with the help of these formulas. Okay, thank you to